Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to carry out the attribute agreement analysis in JMP. First of all, load the data in JMP and make sure the data is arranged in the format like it is shown here. The appraiser should be in its own column. If there are more than one trials each appraiser is doing, then just append those trials at the bottom of the each respective appraiser. If you have a master data or the standard data available, put it here in the another column. Again, make sure that you are providing the master data or the standard for each and every replicate. Then this is the serial number or ID which can be mentioned in the dataset. Now to carry out the analysis, go to Analyze, then choose this option under Quality and Process, Variability slash Attribute Gauge Chart. Since it's an attribute agreement analysis, then first of all, change the chart type to attribute. Now select all the appraisers and put them in the response section here. Then you have to specify whether you want to include the master or the standard in the analysis. So suppose if you want to include, then select the master or standard and drag and drop here. Then you must provide the grouping. Basically, right now we have two trials that each appraiser has done. So now how the JMP will understand? The JMP will take help of this particular column, the application. Okay. Now, if it is seeing that application is appearing, for example, application number 1 is appearing twice, so it will automatically understand that the each appraiser basically did two uh, took two trials for this analysis. Then click on OK, and you will get the report. From the report, you can select by looking at the appropriate section in the report about the attribute agreement analysis. So suppose this is your team performance. This is the individual agreement within the raters that, for example, A1 has inspected 30 items, how many times he or she was in agreement with themselves, and what is the percentage rater score. So lots of outputs are available in the JMP, which you can select using this particular option. That's how you conduct the attribute agreement analysis in JMP.